How to remove payment card on Home Depot app. Well, if you are on your PC, it's a very simple and quick process. You don't have to use the application directly. Instead, you can use any of the web browser. So let me head over to Google Chrome. In the source bar, you have to search for homedepot.com. It will land you on the official page of Home Depot. First of all, you have to log into your specific account, so tap on My Account at the very top, and then click on Sign In. You have to enter your login credential, as in, first of all enter your email address, and then click on Continue. Now you simply have to enter the password that you have created before. Once you have entered your email address and the password, click on Sign In. It will land you on the home page. Now tap on My Account, and then head over to My Home Depot credit card. It will land you on this page. In this page, you will be able to see all of the payment card that you have added on Home Depot. In order to remove, first of all click on the card that you have added. Once you click on it, the option of delete will be visible to you. Click on delete. Once you click on delete, your payment card will be removed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Home Depot app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.